Step 13, IPD module. In the IPD module, doctor can manage wards, beds, facilities and other day-to-day operations such as admission requests, discharging patients etc. Please log in as doctor, go to consultation, search for your appointment in which you want to make admission request to ward. Once appointment is selected, at the bottom please click on the button for admitting patient. Search for ward in which you want to admit patient and click one Save to submit request. This will create a request to the selected ward in the initial status. The warden of this ward can accept or reject the patient. This request. Now let's log in as admin. After you log in as administrator, please navigate to admission requests. It contains all the admission requests that have been made to this ward. The warden, which is actually a doctor, can be accept, reject, or put to waiting list any of the request. Please search for any ward, a list of admission requests will be loaded. Click on any request that you want. A detailed dialog will open, showing the request details and patient details. From here you can admit patient, reject a patient request and can put in waiting list. For admitting, click on Approve and Admit button. A dialog will open where you can select a bed and save. For putting patient in a waiting list, click on Approve to Waiting List button. For rejecting requests, simply click on Reject button. You can check waiting list patients' requests by navigating to Admission Request Waiting List page. There you can admit a patient. Please select any bed from this ward. Please note that only available beds will be shown in the search. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.